What's up, guys? I'm back. Bonnie Plays here, and today I'm gonna show you how to build with Lego. I'll show you how to make a fidget spinner with Lego. Okay, let's go into it. Okay, this is how you make it. Okay, so first you need this if you have it. This thing, this circle. Here, see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 circles. So, you need that. It's focusing on my mouth, not the Lego. Okay. Okay, so you need this. Then, second, you need this piece. You need this piece. Any color. Remember, any color. And then you need this piece. Any color too. So, you stick this in here so it looks like dials. Looks like dials. And then you got dice. And then you stick it on here. Done. Here's your fidget spinner. Just kidding. So, do that with other. You need four small ones, four long ones. Remember, four small ones, four long ones. I'm not gonna say that again, or else I'll punch you in the face. So, I'm just gonna put this, and then, yeah, four of this thing. I'm not gonna say that again, or else I'll punch your face again. So, this is what it looks like when it's done. Hold on. It looks like dun dun dun. Okay, I don't know if you saw that, but I don't care. So, you get your circle. Stick this under here. Right now. Do it right now, or else I'm not gonna do it again. Right there. And then do the same with the other ones. Like these. Like these. And then do it the same with this one. Like this. And then do the same with these. Give it back. Okay, no. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when it's done. Okay. I'm gonna punch your face. Okay, we're back. I just punched my brother in the face. So it looks like this. It looks like this at the back. I know it looks weird, but I don't care. You don't blame me. So, second, you need this. I didn't put it in my mouth. I didn't like it. So, you need this. I think. Yeah, you need this. This long piece. And then you need these. Two of these. I got one white one. They're not the same because this one has a cross in it. This one has a circle. So, first, you put this in here. Dun 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 dun. Oh, never mind. No. You put it like this, right side up. Like it should be like this, and then it should be like that. It should be like. I can't put it. I'm trying to do it in a video. It should be like this, like that. So you don't have to hold the bottom here. So when you're done, you stick this at the bottom, not at the top, or else it'll look weird. Well, you can do it at the top, but I'll just do it at the bottom. So do it at the bottom. Oh, sorry. Do it at the bottom. Make sure it doesn't fall. That's not gonna punch him in the. Okay, I just punched my brother in the face again. Okay, we're back. Okay, So if you stick this in, here, like this, it should look like this. And then now, get this, put in here, like that, this side, like this. And then, get this piece, dun dun dun, dun, up! Dun 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 dun, you need this piece. Okay, so you need this piece, put it in here. Oop. Put it in here so this doesn't fall off. So when it does that. So, hey, get back here. Okay. So, if you did that, you can decorate it, anything, you can do anything with it. But don't put it all the way. Do it like a tiny space, like right there. You see that tiny space? Make a tiny space. Because if you put all the way, it's not going to spin. Watch. I'm going to put it all the way. So, see this? I put it all the way. It won't spin. Kind of. Well, so, really. Okay, so that's why you need a tiny space. So it can spin like these. Yes. It doesn't spin for a long time though. Okay, so if you want to decorate it, give those. Computer. Okay, so if you want to decorate this, you can. You have to take this off. I only have one way to decorate this, so don't blame me. I'm sorry if you can see my old fingers. Matt, stop. Okay. If you do that one more time, I'm gonna hit you for real. So, you have to take this off first. All this, all that, so it looks like this. And put that out. So, if you want to decorate it, you can get one of these pieces. Remember, I only have one way to decorate this. Get these pieces, put it, and then, like, if I don't know what I'm talking about right now, so you can do it like this. You can do it like this, like a square shape, so it's way more shorter. You can do it like that. Oops, sorry. You can do it like You can do it like this, but it'll be a lot more shorter. So you can do that if you want to.
Don't do that at home.
No, you have to do this at home if you want to. Okay, we're back from. I just punched him in the face. Okay, so you can decorate it like that. Sorry if there's a lot of cuts into this, but it's my fault. Just kidding. Hey, I get back. Sorry. Right, so you have to put this back in. Make sure nothing doesn't fall, or else I'll get whooped. Real whipped. Okay. Okay, so if you did put this back together, if you don't want that, or you can want that or want that. I don't get it. And then, if you're done, you can spin it like this. Don't spin it like this, because it's gonna shake. See it shake? You see it shake? Yep. Hold it like this, so it won't shake. It might spin for a long time. Okay, so, I'm gonna show you the view. This is what it looks like. Okay. Oh no, you can't see me. Okay. So, see these pieces? These pieces will get blown. Yeah. Good. So, hold on. I'm building something. Don't judge me. I am not a 2-year-old.
I'm 2-year-old.
No, you're not. Just get out, or else I'll punch you. Okay, you can be in the video. Just stand there. Don't dance. Don't focus on him. No. No, just ignore him. Ignore him. Where are you? I'm gonna smack your face. Okay. So 10 minutes. Okay, so you can do it like this. Hold here. You can do it on the table too. You can go here. You can hold here. Hold on this bit. Go here. Spin it and then let go.
I made a fidget spinner. I made a fidget spinner.
No, you didn't. And also, there's my dad right here. Right here. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. Okay, don't focus on me eating the banana. No. No. Okay. I'll do that one more time. That was a fail. Oh, that was a fail too. Don't do this on a small table. Or else you'll be like this. Ah, it's gonna fall. Don't do it on a small table or it's gonna be like this. Ah, it's gonna fall. And then the mic break every... Stop. Okay, that's the end of the video. I know. Okay. So I'm. Stop it. Stop it, or else I'll punch you in the face. Okay, we're back. Sorry for making weird faces. So, let's try that again. Hiya! My hair is so long. There you go. Okay, that's it for the video. Bye. Nope. Oh, it's still on. Hi. I got my fidget spinner. Yay.